Friday night I was working at the airport. All of a sudden the power went out. The emergency lights came on. There was chaos everywhere. I get this phone call from my daughter, and she's so incoherent, all I can understand is it's gone, it's gone. It's a strange feeling to walk down a hill and see your life laying across your neighborhood. It was just absolutely devastating.
She's an elderly lady that basically just had surgery. There was trees, limbs in front and things like that to where the cars couldn't get in and out of the driveway. So me and Bob came out with the chainsaws and proceeded to cut things up just so that they had access.
I tried to make them as comfortable as possible.
It's hard for them to even express to you in words what happened.
I could feel their pain because I was right in the same neighborhood. Every customer that got hit, they got a call from me. The claims department just jumped all over it. The cat loss teams moved right in really quick.
With American Family being right there within 2 hours of my claim, it's taken such a weight off my shoulders.
I got very, very few calls, which says a lot for what's going on with the claims people.
They didn't have to call a 1-800 number and wait for somebody. We were here.
People were turning in a claim probably within 10 to 15 minutes after the tornado went through.
Anything that I needed, they were ready to tell me where to go and how to get it.
The promise is, if your car's destroyed, we're going to replace it. If your home's destroyed and you have coverage, we're going to replace it too.
If I have to pay $500, $600 a year more for insurance, I've got the peace of mind, and you hope you'll never ever have to have it. But when it does, I mean, you can look behind me. Does that look like $500 a year too much to you? It does it to me.
We cannot give you another life, but we can help you get your life back together.
You get your faith back.
American Family stood out on this one.